Hello everyone, today we're comparing two popular budget-friendly action cameras, the Akaso Brave 8 and the Campark V40. So let's see which one is the best value for your action-packed adventures. So first up, the video quality. So both cameras can capture 4K video, but the Akaso Brave 8 generally offers a slightly better image stabilization and color accuracy. The Campark 40 may struggle a bit more in low-light conditions. Now let's talk about the features. So the Akaso Brave 8 often comes with a more comprehensive accessory bundle, including mounts, remote controls, and waterproof cases. Now the Campark V40 may have been a slightly more limited accessory package depending on the specific model. Now with the ease of use and interface, both cameras are relatively easy to use with intuitive interface. The Akaso Brave 8 may have a slight edge in terms of user-friendliness and app functionality. So price and value are key factors. So these cameras are both budget-friendly options, but the Campark V40 often comes in at a slightly lower price point. However, consider the value of the included accessories when making your decision. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and budget. The Akaso Brave 8 might be a better fit if you prioritize image quality, a comprehensive accessory bundle, and a user-friendly experience. The Campark V40 is a strong contender with a more budget-friendly option and with decent video quality. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.